I've been vanished to the sulking shed again. I don't know what to do. I was going to have a look at that, take it to bits and have a look. Yeah, why not? Just have a quick rooty tooth and have a look inside that rascal. Top end of it, a thermostatic radiator valve, a TRV. The bloody thing still won't come off. Cute. Ah. Looks like there's a coil inside there. How can I? That gets warm. Pushes that down. Which pushes that down. Which pushes the pin down. That sits inside that. I took all that to bits, so I should have done a part 1 and a part 2 vid. I don't think. I don't smoke. I used to. I just like the taste. I like the smell of it going. Oh. There we go. Tickety boo. Tickety boo. I don't know. Yeah, so there we go. That's how that works. Let's break that baby up. Oh yeah. Oh, rooty toots. Let's just smash, get rid of those. Did be a spring in that then. Well, that explains why it doesn't come apart here. I am a hoarder. You never know when you're going to need a spring. That's a bolting little spring, that. Doing, doing. Right. Where did that flipping big spring go? Oh. Find that another time. Yes. Let's sort out some scrap, I reckon. Keep me out of the house for a little while. Otherwise there'll be murder. There'll be murder. This isn't going to go too well, being right-handed. stinks in there. I don't think that's something to be messed with then. Pooh, that's got a smelly fluid in it. I wonder if it's explosive. I put some in my tea. This is living, roll on death. Get out there. Ooh, mate, that's proper stinks, that. It smells like it could evaporate, like an alcohol. Poosh. It's got an odour to it, like. See, it's just gone. It's just dry. It's dried up on my hand.